We got a new model from our 3D printer. Let's check it out. So in our last video, we talked about changing the shape so that it was more like a rectangle as opposed to a square. So we sent some updated schematics to our 3D printer, and this is what it looks like. This is the updated version of the tray. So let me break it down for you. On the left side here, we have a space for all of your bigger items, things like your wallet, your keys. And then to the left of that, we have this notch where we have an area for smaller things that you might want to keep separate that are quick access. To the left of that, we have an area for your phone. And if you look closely, you can see that it has these curved edges, which make it really easy to put your phone down and for it to settle and then pick it right back up. And then to the left of that, we have this bar that makes it easier to grab the tray itself. One thing that I noticed when you put your wallet in here is that there's not really that much space for really anything else. So I think one thing that we might do is that we might make this a little bit wider so that this area is a lot bigger and can hold a lot more things. One other thing that we might try out is moving this bump from the left to the right, just to add for a better aesthetic. Those are just my initial thoughts, and I'm gonna spend a lot more time with this prototype just to get an idea of how it feels day to day. And after that, we'll give a little bit more feedback and we should have a final version. So stay tuned for the next part.